Hi guys, welcome back. It's Dana. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. We're on our way to 10k subscribers, so please help us get there by subscribing and telling all your friends and just everybody you know. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my curly hair routine. I've never done a video like this on the channel before, and I'm so excited to finally do a curly hair routine. My hair is like in a state that it's never been before ever. My hair is moisturized, it's soft, it's the softest my hair has ever been in my entire life. Ashley has been telling me since I know her that my hair is dry and trashy and all of that, and since I started using these products, it's the first she ever compliment me so much on how soft my hair feels. And guys, I'm just flourishing and I'm so happy about it. So I'm going to start off by using their Butter Bliss sulfate free shampoo. So I've never really used sulfate free shampoos. I've always used shampoos with sulfate because whenever I wash my hair is always very dirty. So with this shampoo, I find that it cleanses my hair and it helps to detangle. So just like how my hair isn't detangled now, I can wash it like this and enough of my hair don't tear out. It's fine. So right now I'm just shampooing my hair on camera in the bed here. No, just for video purposes, but I'm going to get to the bathroom and finish it up. 2018 hair goals, I decided that okay, I would just go ahead and try sulfate free shampoos, and since then I've been using this one, and I can honestly say that I can tell the difference. My hair isn't as dry or as squeaky clean as it usually is when I use the sulfate shampoos. My hair is usually like really squeaky clean, like there's no moisture, it's just dry, like really dry out. But with this now, my hair is still moisturized. It doesn't feel, it is clean and it is moisturized, so I really love that about it. The next product that I used was their Butter Rich co-wash. So it can be used as a co-wash and a deep conditioner. I've never used like a designated co-wash before, like a product designed for co-washing. I didn't have any expectations of how it was supposed to feel on my hair, feel in my hands. I didn't know. I was just going into it, and in applying I really didn't like it. It doesn't give my hair any slip. I wasn't sure if it should have, but whether it is or it shouldn't, I just don't like the way that it feels on my hair. There's no slip and it just doesn't feel good. And I felt like no matter how much product that I applied, no matter how wet my hair was, it just didn't feel right to me. But it did clean my hair. It does cleanse my hair well for a co-wash. I liked that. So it did stud and it did clean my hair, and that was good. So today was the first time I actually used it as a deep conditioner. I applied it and then left it in my hair for like 10 minutes. It was the same application. I wet it and all of that. Still never like how it feels. I can say it's not the best deep conditioner ever. Usually when I'm deep conditioning my hair, I usually add oils to it and all of that. So I don't know if because I usually do that, I have a higher expectation. But my hair is moisturized. It is okay. It's not great. I don't think I like this product overall. It does what it's supposed to do for both, but I would more use it as a co-wash though than a deep conditioner. With that being said, now I'm going to style my hair. I'm going to go in with their Butter Whipped Leave-In Conditioner. I like this product. They all smell nice. They all have a similar scent. It's not too strong, but it don't really smell like anything really. The leave-in is designed to add extreme moisture to your hair and get rid of any extreme dryness, and it does just that. So next I'm going to be using their Gel Souffle. I think this was the first product I've ever tried and I really do like it. It was lightweight. I love how it smells. This is one of my favorite scents. It elongates my curls. It gives my hair a whole lot of shine. I don't usually find that with cream products. It don't usually give my hair shine. I always have to use a whole bunch of oil to get my hair to be looking shiny and not so dull, so this definitely gives my hair that shine without having to use a whole lot of oil. So now I'm done applying the product to both sides of my hair. I rake the product through my hair to kind of define my curl. Next, finally, the final product that I'll be using is their hydrating hair butter. Out of everything, this is my favorite scent. This is perfect for locking in your moisture. It moisturizes your hair, hydrates your hair, especially if you have really dry hair like mine. It locks in the moisture and it leaves your hair feeling soft and supple. And you can use this on a daily basis. So I'm just going to apply this mostly to the ends of my hair. And with this product, I really don't use that much, just a little bit. And this goes for the ends of both my hair, the ends of both sides of my hair. So just smooth it onto my hair, like so, just the ends, and then any leftover, smooth it onto my scalp. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and leave my hair to air dry and then come back and show you guys the results when it's all done. So I'm just adding more of the hair butter because I love to add extra sheen, extra oil to my hair after I'm done styling it. Start from the top, the back, and then just work it through. Then I'm going to just loosen some of my curls because like these chunks separate them, and fluff my hair. So that's what I'm doing now, just adding more oil so my hair can look even more shiny and glossy and feel moisturized and all that, and also using it to help to pull these apart. Guys, I don't mind frizz, so that's why I'm being so rough. I actually like frizz because yeah, I like frizz and I like second day hair, third day hair. That's my favorite kind. First day hair, it's alright. The only thing I like about it is like the sheen. So these are the results. My hair is looking Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.